So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another wonderful episode on how to start making money with crypto on your smartphone. Today, I have these two major projects called ARI WALLET and UNICH. These two projects, I believe they have the potential to make you your first $1,000 to $5,000 if you are sincerely ready to make money with your smartphone this 2025. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, what we have here is the Google Play Store. To get started, we need to go to our Google Play Store and search for UNICH. Okay, here we have the project called UNICH. Now, for you to get started on this particular project called UNICH, you need to click the link, the invitation link below this video. And if you cannot get access to this invitation link, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp with the phone number appearing right now on your screen. Then to get started on this particular project called UNICH, for you to sign up, you need to sign up using the option that says email and password. Do not use the option of Google, because UNICH has given an announcement on their X, which is formerly known as Twitter, that they are going to be suspending signing up or logging in or signing in using the Google option, that everybody should move down to using email and password. Then when you are done signing up with my invitation code, what you need to do is for you to come over here, this circled area here that says tap to earn. You need to tap it in order for you to enable your mining, to start your mining. Okay, then the next thing you should do here is for you to go to the referral section at the bottom here. This is the referral section. You click on the referral section to get your own invitation link and invite your own friends, family, and whosoever you wish to invite, right? Then when you are done copying your invite link, then there are other tasks you need to do. All right, here are the other tasks you need to do. You need to, there are other tasks which are already below here. I have done this, 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 I have done this. Now we have other ones again which I need to do. Okay, now let's assume that I want to repost and like UNICH tweet. Okay, I'll click on I got it. So what it will take me to my Twitter. Mind you must have Twitter. Okay, mind you must have Twitter as a crypto enthusiast. You must have a Twitter account, which is now officially known as X. Okay, now when you come to this particular post, it is wasting time. Okay, when you come to this particular post, you need to like, repost, then copy the repost link, go back there and then enter the link here. When you enter the link here, you will now click on the confirm button. You click on the confirm button. This is the confirm button here. This is the area where you click on confirm to confirm that you have done that task. Then when you are done, the next thing you should do is to go back and carry out other tasks again. These are other tasks you need to do. When you are done, you click on the claim to claim the points. Everyone has a point or a reward. This is 40, this is 40, 40, this is 60, this is 60, this is 40. So when you are done, you claim all these points and then it will be added to your total balance. All right, then as you can see, my own mining has begun, and for every 1 hour I'll be earning 0.83 FD per hour. So every hour I'll be earning 0.8 per hour. Then the next time for me to come back is in the next 20 hours plus. Let's say 21 hours from now, I'll come back and re-enable the mining. Now, this is how you go about the UNICH airdrop, okay, here on the CryptoSpace. Then moving up further, let's go over to the other project that is called the ARI Wallet. We are going over back to our Play Store again to download, install, and set up our ARI Wallet. Now, coming over to the Play Store, you go to the search bar again and search for the ARI Wallet. When you search, you will install. You search and install the ARI Wallet. So here on the Play Store, this is how the ARI Wallet looks like. When you are done installing, downloading, installing, you need to do the next step, which is to click and open. Coming over to the groups of my various crypto mining apps, here we have the ARI Wallet. So you click and select test net. So when you click and select testnet as a new beginner, you will have to sign up, and when you are done signing up, there is a particular information you need to pick. Now that information is for you to copy a particular ID, a particular code, and go and save it somewhere. Then if I were you, I will copy it and then go to my Google or my email and save it as a draft, or go to your Google Drive or anywhere you can save it. Then you go over there and save it. All right. So the next thing you need to do here is for you to wait for the testnet to connect. When it connects, then we move further. So when you are done signing up, there is something that is called the daily check-in. So for today, I have not done my daily check-in. I'm going to click the check-in button below now to check in for today and mark my daily attendance. I have marked it and I'll click on close. Here on the home page, we have various tabs here. Okay, we have the daily tab, we have the general tab, and on the updated version of this app, we have the collaboration tab. All right. So moving on, I have done my daily check-in upon opening the application. The next thing I need to do is for me to click on go to carry out my quiz for today, because the ARI chain, the two major tasks you do on ARI chain or the ARI wallet is for you to, do the daily quiz and the daily check-in. These are the two major things you do on a daily basis on the ARI wallet. The application got closed because I clicked on the update button or update tab when I visited the Play Store. So you need to exercise some patience and allow the testnet to connect again. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, here we now have the three tabs because the application has updated. We have the daily tab, the general tab, and the collaboration tab. So to continue what we are doing before we got interrupted by the app update, you click on go to carry out your daily quiz on the UNICH app. Now, here is the crucial part where you need to send an invitation. Okay, you need to send a message to me on WhatsApp in order for you to gain access to my WhatsApp community and my WhatsApp channel. So the question for today says, advanced ZK Snack is most closely related to which technology? A, zero knowledge proofs. B, sharding. 3, side chain. So the correct answer for this one is A, which is what? Zero knowledge proof. So I select A and then click on check to carry out the submission of the answer to the quiz. Right now, when this has marked it, I'll be given 30 ARI coins, which you can see here. I've been given 30 ARI coins for answering correctly. Then I'll click on OK to continue. Moving forward again, we go to the collab tab here, which you can see on the right hand side. Okay, here there are tasks for you to do. When you carry out this one, you'll be given 100 ARI coin. For this one, you also be given 100 ARI coin when you follow on Twitter. Then when you download this app called Picky Talk, you'll be given 300 ARI coins. Okay, so this is the basic things you need to do. You need to know about these two projects, the UNICH and the ARI wallet. So in order to not make this video much more longer than expected, we are going to be stopping here for this particular video. I will urge you all to engage and follow, like, subscribe for more educational content in order for you to also gain access to the next video about these two projects. So if you log in and follow up, you turn up every day, trust me, you're going to be making your first $1,000 to $5,000 from these two major projects. All right.